To satisfy the curiosity of the brain, we always end up doing something new and big. In the 90s, we all know how our homes, workplaces, and spaces around us looked like, until the innovation of various tiling solutions, which has completely revolutionized the world. Ever since then, the technology has advanced and improved the quality of life to which nowadays every place is becoming more attractive, appealing, and shinier. Ramirro Ceramica joined this revolution with a vision to achieve new heights of excellence by developing quality products, with a mission to bring most compelling designs to enhance every space. Our dedicated showroom showcases our cutting-edge and elegant designs in wide range of porcelain vitrified tiles, smart marbles, and quartz stone. We craft tiles by size. For polished porcelain vitrified tiles, with thickness 9 mm, for smart marble, with thickness 15 and 18 mm, for quartz stone, with thickness 20 and 30 mm, with surface finish, glossy, matte, high glossy, rustic, satin, sugar, carving, and nano. All sizes and types are exported globally in over 30 different countries. Our pursuit of quality product is monitored through all stages of the production process, guaranteeing a high-quality production. We follow certification like CE and ISO 9001:2015. We also work with inspection companies like SGS, Intertek, SASO, TUV, and others, according to our clients and their customs requirements. To start, all the clays, feldspar, and sand are tested in lab. Once it's approved, all the raw materials are fed into our system. Huge grinding ball mills, equipped with a ceramic ball, then rotates continuously, processing the material into fine particles. Then, the material is dried and stored, ready for further manufacturing. This initial yet highly important part of manufacturing process determines the high quality and purity of Ramirro's exclusive designs. The perfect combination of color, density, and composition is achieved with measuring and mixing materials by automated and computerized equipment, ensuring the perfect blend each time. The semi-dry material is then compressed under an extremely high pressure, forming a biscuit before feeding the biscuit into the high-temperature kiln. Excess moisture is removed via pre-firing dryer. Required shades, high-quality colors, and designs are printed. Moving into the kiln, the dried biscuits are exposed to continuously controlled temperature of 1,250 degrees Celsius, causing the materials of each biscuit to melt and fuse the fully vitrified form through an extremely compact tunnel exiting from the kiln. Each tile is then further evaluated for the quality, sorting the tiles for final sizing and polishing. Sizes are sorted ultimately for packaging. All the products are handled and precisely stored to be delivered in excellent condition to our valued client base. This creation results from combining the innovation of new technologies with the exceptional craftsmanship. The framework within which our design finds a blend of modern edge and classic vitality. Only through research and development can companies create something truly unique and exclusive to become global leaders in product innovation and customer satisfaction.